Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. In today's video, I'm just basically going to be cutting my hair. As you can see, it's been a long time, even from the back, like it's been a long time since I've cut my hair. So today I'm just going to be cutting my hair and showing you guys a quick glimpse of how I do it. It's very quick and easy, and then we're just going to get into a little bit of spiritual ways to use the hair that you cut in, you know, your spells and rituals and like for manifestation purposes. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to brush your hair. Okay, anytime you cut your hair, you want to brush it. So I have not brushed my hair. I washed it yesterday, but I didn't brush it. So I'm going to brush this. And then what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to do this off camera because I want to do this really quickly. But I have this, it's steaming hot right now. It is a Savani heat comb. So what I'm going to do is just kind of go ahead and straighten, like heat straighten it too. Because it just helps the hair cutting, just helps everything be even. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so here's what my hair looks like after I straightened it. Like even from the back, it looks a lot more easier to cut, a lot more manageable to cut if you're doing an at-home haircut. So, okay, you're gonna want to part your hair really quickly, right? You're gonna want to part your hair how you usually part it. For me, it's usually on the side, so I just kind of just naturally part like this. I don't like it like all the way straight because that's not how I naturally do it. So I'm just gonna naturally. It doesn't have to be a straight part, for me at least. But for you, if you want the natural part, you can do that. Okay, so the next thing is, I got this kit from Royalty R Us, and I got this a long time ago. But what I like is they give you the option of these kind of scissors where, you know, you can like thin your hair out, or they give you the option of these scissors where this is what I like. I don't like to thin my hair out at all. They also give you the razor comb, but I don't like using those. I never did like using those because, sorry, I'm out of breath because I'm trying to do this as soon so that my camera doesn't die. But, so what I'm gonna do, right, is I'm going to take, and this is just a brush from the dollar store. I'm just going to take this, and I have a towel laid down underneath me so that I can catch all the hairs. Now, this video is, and I am going to be looking in the mirror, so this video is about the spiritual aspects of using your hair too. Like, so I have not cut my hair in a long time. If you guys can see right there, I probably look real funny, but you guys see how much hair I have that I have not cut. And that's not good. Like, you should be cutting your hair every, like, once a month at least. And I have not cut mine in probably over a year, I would say. So what I like to do, this is how I cut my hair. Just an easy layered cut. And these scissors are really nice too. And then I just go in a diagonal way like this and point cut upwards. And then, yeah, every hair that you catch, if you save it in a jar, you guys, you can use it to, if you use it in a domination spell, you can use it to dominate a partner, a spouse. You can use it to dominate a boss. You use your hair and then you use their name, you know, their birth date and everything like that. And I have more spells like that over on Patreon if you guys are interested. But if you guys can see, if I brush this out, right? You see that? So it's really easy. Just a nice, easy trim, especially if you have long hair like me and you guys want that kind of cut like I have. And then what I'm going to do is when I'm done cutting this side, I'm going to go ahead and cut my layers really short too. So another thing you could do is if you have a lot of negative energy in your life, right? And forgive me if I'm like talking to the camera and talking to the mirror because I have to watch what I'm doing. if you guys are going through negative energy in your life, you cut a little bit of your hair. It's supposed to get rid of some of that negative energy. Now, how I cut my hair, I just eyeball it. As you guys are seeing, I just literally eyeball it. And I've been cutting my own hair for years, so I kind of know how much to cut and what to do. So, I mean, go at your own risk. But yeah, what was I saying? To get rid of negative energy, put a little bit of your hair in a red candle, right, with some protection oil if you have it, and if you don't have it, that's fine. But also to use a little bit of your hair, and then 4 cloves with the head still on. Okay, now see, I eyeballed it, but if you guys can tell, I've gotten good, right? Tell me, right? So then the next thing I'm gonna do is kind of just brush it out a little bit. And I've moved to a new place, so the new place that I've moved to, my hair is, the humidity, you can see, like, look at this. The humidity here is nice. It's crazy though. I've never had my hair look like this, but I love it, and it feels healthier and everything. So there you go. And then here's what it looks like from the back if you guys want to see what that cut looks like if you cut your hair like that. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and part my hair the same way, right? Okay. And this is a scary one that in the beginning it was pretty scary for me to do, but I can do it now pretty well. Okay, so you're going to take your hair and kind of just cut like that, right? And it's just to get a little bit of bangs. You see that, like, that little swoop? That's basically what it's for. And then this side, this is what I do, okay? This side is a little tougher. So you take it, right? You take the side, and then you're gonna twist it. You're gonna have to twist it and be a little bit careful. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And then do the same thing. And there you go. I mean, you could also go like this, but for me, I'm not really comfortable doing that. But that's kind of it. Yeah. What do you guys think? It's still poofy because of the humidity over here, but what do you guys think? It's been a long time since I cut my hair. It's still long because I didn't want to lose any of the length. And I didn't want to lose the V shape of my hair, but that's what it looks like. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to go now, take a shower, and wash all this. Make sure after every haircut and every time you cut your hair, you always wash your hair. And also, any remnants, save it if you want to. Don't keep it for too long. Don't keep it for like over 30 days. But you can use it for spells, ritual work, domination work, love spells, money spells even, to direct the money to where it needs to go to. Use your hair and stuff like that. But yeah, I did this video with no makeup on. I did this video really quickly. I did this video to show you guys like where my my channel started with my hair journey. Oh my god, it looks crazy. I'm telling you, the humidity over here or the weather over here makes my hair, I actually really like it. But yeah, if you guys are interested in more videos, head over to my Patreon, and I have a book on Amazon also, and my Etsy shop. Head over to my Etsy shop, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.